Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Check it out here. Some nice mullet I found in my freezer. I went to look for banga Mary, and I found mullet. So check it out here. Just washed it, dried it, and now I'll start to season it mullet up. So we have some veggie eggplant with eddos. So I will fry some mullet on top. Check it out here, nice mullet. So for my mullet, I'll add 1 teaspoon of clubhouse seasoning, La Grill and the bourbon. This is really good with brown sugar. Really tasty. So I'll be using this flavored seasoning today. Added another half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'll be adding some Sazon powder. 1 teaspoon of Sazon powder. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything up. Check out the color here. Looks so nice. Add in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 4 teaspoons of flour, mixing everything up. So my oil is outside, warming up there. Hope it's hot. Meanwhile, I'm mixing this here. Mullet is so nice. My daughter Melina, she loves mullet. And me and my husband, not Amy. She doesn't like fish at all. So check it out here. Oil is nice and hot. Add in the mullet. Check it out here. Mullet looking so nice. Anyways guys, I'm cooking outside. It's so calming. Early in the morning, 8:30. An update on the peppers. Check it out. There's a big one here, Scotch bonnet pepper. More in there. Oh, and check it out here. 3 of them here. I'm showing you this while the fish is frying. Oh my! Check out all this Scotch bonnet pepper. A lot. And our parsley here. Lettuce here. Check out this real pepper. And you can check out the squash tree there and the sun over there. And the kale at the bottom. An update of the flowers. No flower there. A big one there. This is end of season, so that's all the flower I have here now. Check out the hibiscus here. Some roses in there. Flower looking so beautiful. Check out my pot here with the spike inside. My neighbor flower there looking nice. Got my other flower here. Love the flower. Looks so nice in the pot. Going back to my fish now. Go checking up on my mullet. Just flipping the mullet here. Check out the mullet how it's coming up. Couple more minutes and it's getting brown. Cooking outside guys. Really nice outside. Taking advantage of the weather. So calming. That's my neighbor yard. Behind neighbor. And I'm cooking outside on my patio. On a table. This is where I cook, on my table. Check out the mullet here guys, all done. Looking so nice and crunchy. Check it out closer. Just straight in the oil here. Really nice mullet. Tasty too. Check it out. Cooking early morning, guys, so when I come home I don't have to cook. Too tired when I get home, so I rather cook in the morning. Check it out again. Nice mullet. Some continue with the rest of the mullet here. Anyways, guys, check out the mullet here. Looking so good and crunchy. Check it out.